Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. I hope that you all are doing well and enjoying your summer holidays very well at your homes. Students, as you all know that we have started videos, the helping videos for you all related to your summer holidays homework, so you can do it easily at your homes. I hope that these videos will be helpful for you all. In today's video lecture of English, we are only going to do first 4 or 5 pages. So in this video, I will tell you that how to do your homework and how to attempt the questions. So let's start. On page number 2, you can see there is a comprehension passage, and you can see that the topic of comprehension passage is chocolate, that how is the chocolate made, and where it comes from, etc, etc. I hope that it will be a great information for you all, and a new information for you all, that how has the chocolate how has chocolate come, and how we can make a chocolate. And so you can see that for first question is that you have to read and circle the mistakes in the sentences and rewrite the correct sentence. First of all, students, you all have to read the paragraph, the comprehension passage, very carefully, and try to understand that what is written in the paragraph, so you will be able to answer the questions written below. So in the first question, you all have to read and circle the mistakes in the sentences and rewrite the correct sentence. You can see that here are 3 sentences, and after reading the paragraph and after reading these sentences, you'll come to know that there are some mistakes in these sentences. Then you will correct those sentences and write in front of these sentences. Okay, now there are 5 questions, and you all have to read the passage carefully, and you all have to answer from the passage. आई होप आप लोगों को बहुत ईजीली आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. So they are really easy. So make sure that you all have to read the paragraph very carefully. Okay, moving towards forward. Here is direct and indirect speech. We have done it in our class also, and I hope that this chart will be helpful for you all. First of all, there is a definition that what is a direct and indirect speech. आप लोग यहाँ से पढ़ोगे तो आपको अच्छे तरीके से समझ आएगी. एंड देर आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो दैट डायरेक्ट स्पीच क्या होती है और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच क्या होती है. देन देर इज़ अ टेबल. एज यू ऑल नो दैट there are 3 major changes that we all have to do while changing a direct into indirect sentence. So number 1 is of change of pronouns, then change of time and place, then change of tenses. So change of pronoun and change of time and place, I hope that you can do it easily. Here is the table of change of tense. It will be helpful for you all. From this table, you will be able to see that how which sentence, which tense is changed into which one. Okay, like present tense will be changed into past, present continuous will be changed into past continuous, then past simple will be changed into past perfect, past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous, present perfect will also change into past perfect, then present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous, then future simple will become a conditional sentence. As you all know that we don't have to change shall into should. While changing will and shall, we only have to write would, so it will become conditional sentence. Okay, on the next page you will see the exercises of direct and indirect narration. Here is an example also. I hope that table and this example will be helpful for you all. Let me read the example. Change the narration. She said, I have written my letter. So, how can we change this sentence into indirect speech? So, she said that, commas will be changed into that. Then I is a first person pronoun, so it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. So she said that she. Now you can see that I have written my letter is a present perfect tense. So present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect tense. So we have to write here had. She said that she had written her letter. You can see my is a second is also a first person. Okay, so we all have to change it according to the subject again. So I hope this will be helpful for you all. So I hope that you can do it easily. You can take help from this example. You can take help from the table on the previous page. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope that this video will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz everyone.